Now, we need to solve this little problem here for a number of reasons. One is that, yeah, I need to bring the floor all the way across to the inside of the main structural wall here. And I'm going to show you how I did that. So I'll do it over this side here. And as we know, anything that is constructed with the sketch can be modified. So I'll go into modify boundary, and what I want to do is I want to use my align command. And again, I want to get the edge of the wall here. So I'm hitting tab. Now I've selected it. So to this, align that. Okay, and then I'll finish and yeah, cancel that. So that's done. Now that wall, if I go into my section, you'll see over here that the floor now is up against the wall. But our problem is here is that we've got the plasterboard coming down below the floor. So we'd like to be able to solve that. And the way to solve that is a little trick here. So I'm going to show you this now. So we're going to pick this wall. And we're going into its type properties and into the structure. And we've got a preview down here. So click on the preview and make sure that the preview is not in plan, but in section. Zoom in down here. All right, zoom in. So I'm using my wheel to zoom in here. And I'm going to hit this little modify command. Notice that it only becomes available when the preview becomes available as well. So I'm going to pick that and look the way, see the way it's picking the bottom line of the plasterboard there. When I click it, a little lock comes up. Now, this is tricky to do. So you have to kind of move around until it changes color. Sometimes you have to wiggle in and out. There it goes. See that now it's changed color. And now I'm going to select it and it's unlocked. All right. Now I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to click on that one and I'm going to move around, zoom in and out maybe, move in and out. There, it's changed color. Now I've unlocked that and I'm going to hit OK and OK. Now what that allows me to do now is when I select the wall in section, I can now drag this portion up here and that is absolutely perfect. So we got the plasterboard sitting on top of the wall over there. Now, it applies to all instances of the wall. You can see it there. So I can drag that up here like so. And now we're good to go. That's the way this would be constructed, in that the floor will come right to the edge of the wall here and the plasterboard will start there. And the skirting will be positioned in around that point there. It also gives us this nice little corridor as well for our services if that's what we want to do there too. Okay, so that is a nice little trick that you will need on many occasions when we go and construct our walls.